Hi friends, come with us to come by my father's bird for Father's Day. You know, we're walking down the swamp meet. Look at all the birds. He's like, what the hell is this? Sir, just open it. Just open it. Come on, sir.
Tus consejos viven en mi voz. Tus abrazos, abrigo de Dios. No hay tesoro.
By the way, my dad loves birds. Look how happy he looks. That's the birdie. I believe it's a green cheek something. Switching cages because that one's too small. Even though it's cute, it's pink. But here goes the green one. It's bigger. She's more comfortable. Happy Father's Day, Dad. Love you.